Hey, welcome to Your London Locksmith. Okay, got a job to put in a lock for this shop front door. So they haven't got a lock in place. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is just to mark the position of the lock. So what I'm doing now is to mark the screw positions as well. Right, next thing is to mark the positions of these mounting bridging clips for the screws.
It's YouTube music.
So that's
Download
the
the app
bottom one.
today and get a trial of Music Premium.
Fixing it in place. Okay, now with the mounting bridging clips in place, we can now screw in the lock case into the door. Now with the lock in place, we can now test the alignment of the locking position with the door closed, and it's locking perfectly. Now it's time to put in the Euro cylinder. We decided to go for the Ultion Euro cylinder, which is Kite Mark 3-star Soul Secure diamond rated cylinder. It's got loads of features in it, like double lockdown mode, you know, anti-drill, anti-snap, anti-bump, so many features with this lock. And it's also got a £1,000 guarantee if someone was to snap and open your door from this lock. Now we can test the door with the key, and it's locking perfectly. Now we're putting the escutcheons on the front side, and then the escutcheon on the other side as well. Final test. So that's the new shop front door lock installed. Remember, it didn't have a lock there to replace, so with the mounting bridging clips we managed to put that into the large void that was left from the old lock, and we've got the Ultion high security cylinder installed as well. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe by hitting the button here, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we release a new video. Until then, be good and stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.